Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Digital Jagran. I am your Digital Jagran assistant. And today we will talk about what is Mod APK, and is it safe? Let's get start the video. In simple, a Mod APK is a modified version of an original APK, Android Package Kit. Mod means modified. Modded APK hasn't originally signed by the original developers of app. So no support from original developers. Mod apps may have extra features, unlocked features, unlimited in-app/game currency, for games, sometimes extra support, and many other modifications and add-ons, including malware and spyware. Is it safe to use it? Yes, sometimes it is safe and sometimes it is dangerous because if an app is not able to get uploaded on the Google Play Store, then it means there must be any malware or phishing techniques present in it to store the data, confidential, of user. But not in every case it is a virus. Sometimes it's impossible to download an app from Google Play Store because of various reasons. Therefore, the best solution is to download an APK file of this app instead. But be careful before downloading and installing any mod, mostly pirated, app from any untrusted source. Because there are chances that the app being infected by malware. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Digital Jagran, for more content like this.